and probable, because therein lies the mystery where the silent spreaders are.
52 COVID cases na ang natunto ng syudad simula nung mag-mass testing sila nung linggo. Ang gamit ng lungsod, PCR testing.
Attention! This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Do not turn off your television. Reports coming from our agency that a humanoid entity that resembles a member from Andres Bonifacio's Katipunan has been seen attacking the streets of Batangas, Philippines. Description: is a humanoid creature measuring 5 feet in height. The entity is dressed in a uniform similar to a member of Katipunan, a Philippine revolutionary society formed in 1892. The report shows that it can reach 50 kilometers per hour. It is important to lock all the doors and windows to ensure safety.
Mga kapuso, kapapasok lamang po nitong balitang ito, kinumpirma